Hello bafethu, welcome back to Jeff the Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bafethu, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment if you have anything to say la comment section ngezansi. As we remember bafethu ukuthi ke kuke kwanodaba lokelathintwa kakhulukazi amaphephandaba ulithinta kakhulu ke intombazanyana leya ya ekuthiwa ke uyena ke u-Ayabonga waka Mjilo. So u-Ayabonga was laid to rest ke ngizothi ke kuyona le weekend and ke bengekho ke mnandi bafethu ke bekumuncu ke isimo nje ubona ukuthi ke asikho right. So lapha ke u-Ayabonga Mjilo ke 24-year-old woman from Kwanyanda eHlokozi ke was tragically murdered on a Christmas day. Her body was discovered on the 4th of January in the yard of her former manager ogama lakhe ke umfana futhi ke lapha ke wakwakunene. The funeral service was held on her home where family and friends gathered to pay their respect. The Premier of KwaZulu-Natal was also there. Ogama lakhe ke Muthamintulu attended the funeral and spoke about the ongoing issue of violence against women. So the community is deeply affected by this loss, and there are calls for justice and stronger measures to protect abantu besifazane. It's a heartbreaking situation bafethu, and my thoughts are with her family kakhulukazi and a loved one during these difficult times. So bafethu, do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to like this video. Ngizwe uvo lwakho mayelana nalo lolu daba. Danko.